happy place, the forest, the mountains. Mountains know secret we need to learn that is might take time. It might be hard, but if you just hold on long enough, you will find a strength to rise up. Nature is one of the most underutilized treasure in life. It has the power to unburden hearts and reconnect that inner place of peace. Always be thankful for little things. Even the smallest mountains can hide the most breathtaking views. Over every mountain, there is a path, although it may not be seen from the valley. When you stand at the bottom of the mountains and look up at the mountain's top, the path looks hard and stony, and the top is obscured by clouds. But when you reach the top and you look down, you realize that there are thousand paths that could have brought you to that place.